Why don't Honda Clarity and Toyota Prius Prime play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're both always trying to outgreen each other. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Honda Clarity versus Toyota Prius Prime. These two models are impressive plug-in hybrids, but they have some key differences that make them appealing to different types of drivers. Difference 1 is related to their powertrains. The Honda Clarity uses a 1.5L four-cylinder hybrid powertrain and an electric motor that produce a combined 212 horsepower, while the Toyota Prius Prime uses a 1.8L four-cylinder hybrid powertrain and an electric motor with a combined output of 121 horsepower. Therefore, Honda Clarity provides more power than the Prius Prime. Difference 2 is about their fuel efficiency. The Prius Prime has an EPA estimated combined fuel economy of 54 miles per gallon, MPG, whereas the Clarity has an EPA estimated combined fuel economy of 42 mpg. This means that Prius Prime is more fuel efficient. Difference 3 is their electric range. The Clarity has an all-electric range of 47 miles, while the Prius Prime has an all-electric range of 25 miles. Thus, the Clarity can travel nearly twice as long on electricity alone. Difference 4 is related to their interior space. The Honda Clarity offers seating for 5 with generous rear seat legroom, while the Prius Prime has seating for 4 and a smaller rear seating area. Difference 5 is about their cargo capacity. The Prius Prime offers 19.8 cubic feet of cargo space behind its rear seats, while the Clarity offers a slightly less cargo capacity of 15.5 cubic feet. Difference 6 is the styling. The Honda Clarity has a sleeker, more aerodynamic design, whereas the Toyota Prius Prime has a more conservative design with its unique rear-end design standing out. Difference 7 is related to their price. The Honda Clarity is usually more expensive than the Toyota Prius Prime, making the later a more affordable choice. Difference 8 relates to the warranties. Both vehicles come with a standard 3-year 36,000 mile basic warranty, but for hybrid-related components, Toyota outshines Honda, offering an 8-year 100,000 mile warranty, while Honda only offers an 8-year 80,000 mile warranty. Difference 9 is the multimedia system. The Prius Prime comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, while the Clarity features a smaller 5-inch display. However, if you upgrade to the Touring model, the Clarity comes with an 8-inch screen. Difference 10 is about the maintenance costs. The Toyota Prius Prime is generally considered to have lower annual maintenance costs than the Honda Clarity. Difference 11 is their performance on the road. The Honda Clarity has a smooth, composed ride and responsive handling. On the other hand, the Toyota Prius Prime, while smooth, isn't as agile and it's not as fun to drive as the Clarity.